Hello everyone, and welcome to Chicken Update number 1. Here we have got one of the chickens. You may see that they have gotten a little bit larger, and all 5 are here. So we've got Starla, the grey one. Delilah is that brown one. I believe you're seeing Daisy, the white one. And then there's Daphne, who just popped out of the coop. And then back inside of the coop, you can see, I think, Dolly. You can tell Daisy and Dolly from the colors of their feet. Daisy has got much more vibrant yellow feet, and then Dolly has got less vibrant yellow feet. Everyone's favorite is Darla. Who is that? That's Darla. And she is a very pretty color. Well, she doesn't know her manners. As you can see, when the door is open, they all go running to the door. And they like food. They are getting fed now. That's their food. They love spinach. It's probably one of their favorite foods. Yesterday, we gave them lots of blackberries, because in my Nana's garden, she has a big blackberry bush. And Darla and the others love blackberries, we learned. They like to eat their seeds and spinach and fruits and vegetables. That is their coop behind them. Usually they only just stay in it for nighttime. They sleep in it, but most of the day, like afternoon and evening, and all day, apart from nighttime, they're out in the garden. We have got set up a fence so they can't get into the rest of the garden, and they really enjoy their food. They're pretty hungry. They're always hungry. They eat everything. There isn't really a thing they wouldn't eat. And they poop a heck of a lot. They poop all the time. Look, on them tiles we've got there. There's poop on that. And that's not all. There's so many feathers everywhere too. It looks like something murdered a bunch of birds. There's so many feathers. Like if you've ever went outside, and you see a bunch of feathers, So that's it for this update. I think chickens are worth getting if you want them.
No eggs yet.
But we should be getting the eggs very, very soon. So that's gonna be it for not this week's, but today's video. I will see you either tomorrow or the day after in my apes versus monkeys video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I think you're gonna enjoy the next video. Goodbye.